Oh, they're working away, look. Killed one. Can you see them drawing that out now already?
What does drawing it out mean?
It's normally very flat.
Oh, when they start filling it?
Yeah. Now, so. Now look at it. Look at all mobbies.
Do you not have another hive there?
Yeah, but there I don't have enough yet for another hive. Oh.
Alright, what are you doing then?
I'm checking them. Oh, I have to stick another notch in it now.
Oh, I thought you said
The batches are there, look. Just light it open. Oh, don't eat my fucking chips. Get out. Get out.
just fucking notes of the book.
Oh, we're off.
I did. That kind of sedative, is it? Or,
yeah. Just kind of gets them out of your way. So you seem to clean it as you go.
Fairly clean looking here.
See the way the drawer on it. See, the queen wasn't there. We're looking for the queen.
She's probably in the middle then.
They're cleaning cells now. Can you see the baby bee there in the middle?
Mm.
Oh, she's about one for him. I don't know what way to put it. I should have a hive stand really. Oh, here, look at, here she is.
Is she there? Oh, with the red dot?
Yeah, so just grab the sides. They won't, just don't drop her. Keep an eye on her. Spin her around. Yeah, so just keep an eye on her, Bernard.
But she can't fly, sure.
No.
And they'll protect her, is it?
They'll protect her. See the fat cells with the bubble? They're the boy bees. There's a couple of queen cells now. I have to...
And did he put that mark on her, he did?
Yeah. Just have to break down the queen cells. She was on what? The second frame. You alright?
Yeah.
See if I can find a few eggs to show you now. Just don't. If you get uncomfortable now, I'll put her back in.
See the way she's trying to bury herself in under them.
She's trying to hide, yeah. No, there's no queen cells, so they're happy enough. They're not making, not getting ready to swarm or anything. Show yourself holding it now. It's that like getting ready to.
Is that what that is?
It's his arse. Where is she?
She's here on the side now. I'm just trying to rotate it as she's climbing. She's here. Just come back over again. It's just that one bee that they all swarm for.
Yeah, that one bee that they protect. But look how quiet they are. Like if I was braver, I'd check it without gloves, but I'm not. Like they'll all be hatched now in a couple of days.
I don't know where she is as well because they're all flying around me.
They're like, watch that lad now, he's from behind me. And you have to put her back in the fucking exact same space that you catch her.
Serious?
Mm.
And do you know which one you took her out of? Second
the
one.
Second frame. Imagine I nearly fucking put her down. I didn't look at all for her. These are all hatched, that's why they're empty.
Oh, yeah. Oh, see all the honey here on the sides.
That's for feeding the babies.
Is that what that is?
That's baby food.
Where's the honey you extract then?
It goes into this one,
Oh,
top
okay.
one. That's the pollen. See the different colours?
Yeah.
I don't know what you want me to zoom it with something.
Nah, I can see it.
See the pollen on his legs?
Yeah.
No. He does it by us. No, girlies. Oh, and I killed one there now.
Okay. You want to kill a few of them moving it anyway, that'll be normal. Ooh, they're getting noisy.
Yeah, they're like, fuck your squashing us, Pam, you bitch.
Where's she gone? Oh, there she is.
Rangers, you lose me queen, I kill you.
Don't blame me. You give it to an amateur.
No, where is she?
She's here.
Do you need a picture of her, you alright?
Let me grab the...
There's no eggs there now. She's gone again, look at her. Just brush them aside there.
I will with gloves. I can see her there now.
See the stinger, see the way this lad has his arse up? He's telling everyone the queen is over here.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah. Now, back in you go, pet. It was a tight fit now, wasn't it?
God, it was.
Did you get any of them?
One.
Dead, is he?
Yeah, he was dead anyway.
Yeah, so they're up there smelling it. That looks, they're drawing it up already. It's a little risen. If you just run your finger, you'll see feel the risen part.
Oh, yeah.
They're getting it ready now to put the honey into it. Just need to fix this cunt. No. Please.
They're air vents, isn't it?
That's the crown board, yeah. If you don't keep your vents in, they will...
Get too hot or something with it?
No, they'll come up and they'll build all the honeycomb here.
Oh.
Now see, I killed a couple of bees there. Sorry, boys.